If you've ever been frustrated by slow 3D prints or limited build volumes holding back your creativity, you're not alone. But what if a single machine could dramatically speed up your workflow while delivering stunning detail on large projects? Today, we're diving into a 3D printer that's making big waves. Can it really live up to the hype and change the game for pros and beginners alike? Let's find out. Hey everyone, I'm Brian from the Inspect Aspect. Today we're taking a close look at the QIDI MAX3 3D printer, a large format, high-speed desktop printer that's been turning heads for its impressive specs and versatile features. Designed to be ready out of the box with auto-leveling and a robust all-metal frame, it promises to handle anything from professional prototypes to complex artistic prints. But with such bold claims, does it deliver on speed, quality, and reliability? Let's unpack what makes this printer stand out and where it might fall short. The first big advantage is its large build volume and blazing speed. With a build size of 325 by 325 by 315 millimeters and printing speeds up to 600 millimeters per second, paired with an acceleration peak of 20,000 mm/s, the X-Max3 is built to handle big jobs quickly without sacrificing consistency. That means fewer print sessions and more time bringing ideas to life, especially useful if you're juggling multiple projects. Next, the printer's solid build and stability really shine. The all-metal frame features thick aluminum plates, sturdy 10mm hollow steel linear shafts, and a wide 10mm belt that reduce vibrations and mechanical wear. This translates to smoother, more accurate prints and less downtime for maintenance. Knowing your hardware can withstand long-term use with minimal fuss is a huge plus for both hobbyists and professionals. Another standout is the versatility in materials. The X-Max3 supports not only standard filaments like PLA and ABS, but also more demanding composites like carbon fiber reinforced nylon, PA12CF, PETCF, and high-temperature resistant filaments. Thanks to a direct drive extruder and a 2-hot kit, including a hardened steel hot end for high-temp materials, you're free to experiment across a range of applications in custom workflows without worrying about hardware limitations. Finally, the printer boasts high precision and smart features. Like an enclosed heated chamber, dual cooling fans, input shaping, and pressure advanced technology, these optimize print quality by managing thermal gradients, reducing ringing, and maintaining consistent extrusion pressure. Add in open-source Clipper firmware and specialized QIDI Slicer software with remote control options. And you've got a machine that's not just powerful, but highly customizable and future-proof. One drawback is the printer's size and footprint. While the large build volume is amazing, the printer itself is quite bulky. This might be a challenge if you're working in a tight space or prefer a more compact setup. Secondly, even though the X-Max3 comes fully assembled and auto-leveling, the initial learning curve with advanced firmware and software might be steep for complete beginners. Clipper firmware and QIDI Slicer offer incredible flexibility, but require some time investment to master, which could deter casual users looking for a simple plug-and-play experience. Third, despite the inclusion of premium components, there are some more noise considerations. The dual fans and metal frame design can produce a louder operating sound compared to quieter consumer models, which might be a factor in quiet working environments or home offices. Lastly, the printer's now enclosed chamber design does help with temperature stability but limits easy access during printing. This could be a hassle when you need to quickly intervene or monitor prints closely, especially for those who prefer hands-on control mid-project. On the Inspect Aspect scale, I'd rate the QIDI X-Max3 a confident velocity virtuoso 9 out of 10. It combines remarkable speed and size with robust build quality and a versatile material palette, making it a standout option for those serious about pushing their 3D printing capabilities. Minor drawbacks like size, noise, and a steeper learning curve are worth weighing, but overall, this printer brings a compelling balance of power and precision that could truly transform your workflow. Whether you're a seasoned maker or an ambitious beginner ready to grow, it's definitely worth considering. Be sure to check the link on the screen and in the description below for the best prices and deals. Perfect timing if you're thinking about upgrading your setup. Thanks for watching the Inspect Aspect, and as always, happy printing.